Today, we are taking a look at how to pronounce this word, tuberculosis. The word is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a noun and it refers to an infectious disease that mainly affects the lungs but can also spread to other parts of the body. Let's use it in a sentence. The doctor explained that tuberculosis is treatable with the right medication. If you struggle to pronounce the word tuberculosis, here are some other names for tuberculosis you can use: TB, consumption, phthisis. So, one more time, how to pronounce the word tuberculosis. 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 Please leave a like and subscribe.